Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to auto set up your local channel to your Sony Smart TV. And first of all, I will show you the auto setup, and secondly I will show you how to arrange your TV channel for any number you want to set it to any channel. And third, I will show you the how to label your channel. And for example, number one, you want to set it to any text, and here I have the number two, I set it to letter F. Okay, now we begin to connect the TV antenna. So here I have the normal antenna, and the cable, it's a cable connection. Okay, now I already connect the TV antenna to my Sony Smart TV, and you can see here is my antenna. And now I will start to auto search the channel. Okay, first of all, you just need to press this home button on your TV, and then press down at the upper and down button here, and this one is the confirm button in the middle. Okay, now you go to the setting, and then press the right button, go to system setting, select, and then you go down to channel setup and press the right button and go to auto tuning, and then select, and it will ask you, do you want to auto start tuning, and press OK. And now your TV try to search any channel that it can catch up through the TV antenna, so you need to wait. Now it found the program. See? Full program. Fine. Click. Okay, now you found 6 program on your TV. And we return. So you can now arrange the program, try to find any program you want to see by press upper and down on the program button. So now we found only 6 channel, and then you go down one by one. It's number 5 is this one, number 4, number 3, number 2, number 1, back to number 6 again. Okay, for example, I want to change this channel number 6 to number 0. Okay, to do that you press the home button again and then go to setting, system, and go to channel setup again and the program sorting. Now I want to change the channel number 6. Then you press select on the number 6 and then go to any number you want to move it. So I want to move it to number 0. And then we go back to check. So now I press number 6 and then there's another channel, so now I press number 0 and then you can see the program, the story that we saw last time. Okay, now to the third step, I want to make this label on this channel. So you press home again and go to setting, channel setup again. Now we go to program label and then I want to label this number 0. So you just press on this channel number and then you can adjust its name. Just press the upper or down button through ABC. So I want to label it a story and then press the right. Y. Okay, and then you just press select. And now your channel number 0 is a label, it's a story. So we go back to the channel program and let's see. So we go back to home and then I press channel number 0 and then you can see on the TV channel number 0 here we have the story label on it. Okay, and that's all for today's video of how you can set up your local channel through the TV antenna to your Sony Smart TV. And thank you everyone for your time watching this video and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.